It's 1999, my nigga.
Alright, people, it's your boy Loud Junkie 420. Now, this is a special day for me. So, yeah, well, here's what came in the mail for me. I'm doing a little upgrade on my electrical, and let me do the unboxing video. I mean, here, let's give you an idea. What does that say? Travis Young, JY Power. Man, good looking out for this guy. So let's see what we end up getting. Might as well open both of them while I'm at it. Twelve package. Pink bubble wrap. Now that's cute. Oh, these guys hooked it up. Oh, okay, this is gonna be for the brackets for the inputs. And gave me a bunch of stickers, bunch of decals. That's what's up. Good looking out, guys. But more pink. And here's the cells. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it was well packaged. Now that's love. Let me throw that back in there so I won't make a mess. So it's these 4 cells. JY Power, it's the decal. For sure, I'm gonna be rocking that. And again, you know, you gotta appreciate the tight packaging. Like, look at that. Package inside of a package, and so, you know, more packaging inside of that, and then you got some bubbles, more decals. Appreciate it. And there's your other 4 cells. Bam, 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 bam. That's it. That's all she wrote, boys. So let's see. Let's do another unboxing. Let's unbox these little cells. Let's see what they all look like. Oh. Boom. Again, package great. They won't be moving around. We won't be bouncing around. You don't want that, especially this hazardous material. That's good. Look at this. Boom. You know, perfect. It won't be jumping around, bouncing around. This is awesome. Now, these are actually a little small. I mean, of course, they're still whatever power they are, and I'm gonna still get what I want out of them. But they're a little smaller than I expected. But wow, if they could do all the power that I've been hearing and seeing, size really don't matter. Run the show. But that's what they looking like. You know, let me see if I can compare it. I mean, look, yeah, look. There's a razor blade. You know, or even a decal. Or here, you know what? Better yet, let me get my tape measure and show you exactly how tall they are. Look at that. 5.5 inches tall. This is each cell. 5 inches wide or long. And then 3 and 3 and 1/8, give or take, of wow, how wide they are. I mean, they're little guys, but it's gonna do what you want it to do. I mean, of course, you guys seen the first one. I mean, I'll unbox the second one for you guys too. Why not? I'll throw you here, and show you guys the rest of the cells. Oh, new. Boom. So that's 8 of them. 2 banks of 45 amp hour ones, and and the hardware. And hopefully everything, the voltage stays right, tight. And big old shout out to Travis Young and everybody at JY Powers, man. I mean, this shipping was amazingly fast. I think I ordered it Friday and it got here Tuesday. Wait, yeah, Friday night I ordered it and it got here Tuesday. That's amazing shipping. Not even a heads up from them. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's okay. I didn't get a heads up, but that's how fast it was. They didn't even got time to give me a heads up that they shipped it. But man, again, Travis Young and everybody from JY Power, man, big old thumbs up and love from Loud Junkie 420. All right, man. Well, I hope you guys are gonna be liking my new update. I'll keep you guys updated with everything, and let's give you guys a show real quick. All right, so subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.
We was right out there, this whole lot, chilling in the back of the track. Niggas got packs trying to get